name is Jalen Redding. I'm a 11th grade student. My class is Construction Carpentry, and I'm a full-time PIAP student in North Monco Technical Career Center. What it means to be a PIAP student: I work 2 days a week as an apprentice in the field, as well as come to school and learn academics and shop-related work in carpentry. We do a lot of various things, such as house framing, all the way to interior work such as cabinetry and trim. We build sheds and mock-up houses. We use everything from power to hand tools, such as table saws, miter saws, hammers, screwdrivers. One of the tools that I'm learning right now is a CNC machine specifically made for cutting wood. This machine saves a lot of time, gives you a more precise and accurate finished product. There's several certifications that can be earned in this program, such as the OSHA 10-hour safety certification, as well as MSDS certifications. I like that this gives you an opportunity to have an in-field experience out in the workplace, as well as a one-on-one academic and trade-related education. I would recommend any student who is willing to have a hands-on experience as well as an open mind to learning new things. North Monco Technical Career Center is a great place to be.